We often gaze at the vastness of space, marveling at the countless stars and galaxies that lie beyond our planet. Yet, within each of us resides a universe just as awe-inspiring, the human brain. This 3-pound organ, a labyrinth of billions of neurons, is the seat of our consciousness, the conductor of our actions, and the architect of our reality. The brain dictates everything from our most basic reflexes to our loftiest aspirations. It processes a constant stream of information from our senses, allowing us to navigate and interact with the world around us. It stores memories, both cherished and mundane, shaping our personal narratives. Understanding the brain is not just a scientific endeavor, it is a journey into the very essence of what it means to be alive. By unraveling its mysteries, we gain insights into our own behavior, our relationships with others, and our place in the grand tapestry of existence. The human brain, despite its relatively small size, is an incredibly complex organ. It can be broadly divided into 3 main parts: the cerebrum, the cerebellum, and the brainstem. The cerebrum, the largest part, is responsible for higher-level functions such as language, memory, and reasoning. The cerebellum, located at the back of the brain, plays a crucial role in movement and coordination. Imagine a skilled dancer effortlessly gliding across the stage, or a musician flawlessly playing a complex piece on an instrument. These feats of coordination are orchestrated by the cerebellum. The brainstem, connecting the brain to the spinal cord, controls essential life functions such as breathing, heart rate, and sleep-wake cycles. Within these major divisions lie numerous specialized regions, each contributing to the brain's overall symphony of activity. The hippocampus is essential for forming new memories, while the amygdala plays a key role in processing emotions, particularly fear and pleasure. Our emotions, those powerful surges of feeling that color our experiences, are products of intricate neural circuitry within the brain. When we encounter a fear-inducing situation, the amygdala springs into action, triggering the release of hormones like adrenaline. Experiences of joy and pleasure activate reward pathways in the brain, releasing dopamine and other neurochemicals. Love involves a complex interplay of brain regions, including those associated with reward, bonding, and social cognition. Our ability to reason, solve problems, and make decisions relies on the coordinated activity of various brain regions, particularly the prefrontal cortex. Humans are inherently social creatures, wired for connection and belonging. Our brains are exquisitely adapted for social interaction, equipped with specialized mechanisms that allow us to navigate the complexities of the social world. The ability to recognize faces relies on a dedicated brain region known as the fusiform face area. Our capacity for empathy involves the activation of mirror neurons, which fire both when we perform an action and when we observe someone else performing the same action. The brain does not merely passively record the world around us like a camera. Rather, it actively constructs our reality through a process of perception and interpretation. Sensory information from our eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin is constantly streaming into the brain, where it is filtered, organized, and imbued with meaning. Consider the act of seeing. Light enters our eyes and strikes the retina, where it is converted into electrical signals that travel along the optic nerve to the visual cortex at the back of the brain. However, what we see is not simply a replica of the external world, but rather the brain's interpretation of these signals, shaped by our past experiences, expectations, and biases. The smell of freshly baked bread might evoke warm memories of childhood, while the sound of a particular song might transport us back to a specific time and place. Understanding this process is crucial for recognizing that our perceptions are not always objective reflections of the world, but rather interpretations influenced by a multitude of factors. For centuries, the prevailing belief was that the adult brain was a fixed and immutable entity, incapable of significant change after a certain age. However, groundbreaking research in neuroscience has revealed that the brain possesses an astonishing capacity for change and adaptation throughout life, a phenomenon known as neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity refers to the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections, strengthening existing ones, and even generating new neurons in certain regions. This remarkable ability allows the brain to adapt to new experiences, learn new skills, and recover from injury. Every time we learn something new, our brain undergoes physical changes. This understanding of neuroplasticity has profound implications for education, rehabilitation, and our overall approach to life. The brain, for all its wonders, is not immune to malfunction. When the intricate workings of the brain are disrupted, the consequences can be profound, manifesting as neurological disorders that affect movement, sensation, cognition, and behavior. Stroke occurs when blood flow to a part of the brain is interrupted, depriving brain cells of oxygen and nutrients. Parkinson's disease is characterized by the progressive loss of dopamine-producing cells in the substantia nigra, a region of the brain involved in movement control. This results in tremors, rigidity, slowness of movement, and balance problems. Alzheimer's disease leads to progressive memory loss, cognitive decline, and ultimately, dementia. Understanding these and other neurological disorders is crucial for developing effective treatments, improving the lives of those affected, and ultimately, finding cures. Despite remarkable advances in our understanding of the brain, much remains to be explored. The human brain, with its billions of neurons and trillions of synapses, is arguably the most complex structure in the known universe. One area of active research is consciousness, that subjective experience of awareness that makes each of us unique. Another area of intense investigation is the development of new treatments for neurological and psychiatric disorders. As we delve deeper into the uncharted territories of neuroscience, we can expect to uncover even more astonishing insights into the workings of the brain, shedding light on the mysteries of consciousness, perception, and the very essence of what it means to be human.